Looking for the best electric tricycle on Amazon in 2026? Whether you're a senior looking for extra stability, a daily commuter, or someone who wants a comfortable ride for shopping and leisure, today's list has something for everyone. We've compared performance, battery life, comfort, safety features, and overall value to bring you the top 5 best electric tricycles on Amazon 2026. Be sure to watch until the end because our number 1 pick offers incredible range, power, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Spacewalk Electric Trike for Adults. In the first spot is the Spacewalk Electric Trike for Adults, offering one of the most impressive combinations of performance, comfort, and battery life available on Amazon. Powered by a 1200-watt peak brushless motor and a massive 748.8 Wh removable battery, this electric trike can travel up to 60 miles while reaching speeds of 18 mph. Its 18 by 3-inch fat tires improve stability and ride comfort, while the 3-wheel design provides exceptional confidence for beginners and seniors. The sturdy frame, responsive brakes, and smooth power delivery make it ideal for commuting, shopping, recreational riding, and daily transportation. Pros: excellent 748.8 Wh removable battery, powerful 1200-watt peak motor, up to 60 miles riding range, stable 3-wheel platform, comfortable fat tires, smooth beginner-friendly ride. If you're searching for the best all-around electric tricycle of 2026, the Spacewalk delivers outstanding performance, long range, premium comfort, and dependable stability, making it our top recommendation. Number 2. Foldable Electric Tricycle with 1200-watt peak motor. This foldable electric tricycle combines power, convenience, and comfort into one attractive package. Its 1200-watt peak brushless motor delivers strong acceleration, while the 48-volt 13-amp-hour removable battery offers up to 55 miles of riding range. The step-through frame makes mounting effortless, while the 18 by 3-inch fat tires provide excellent traction on both city roads and park trails. Its folding capability makes transportation and storage significantly easier than many traditional electric trikes. Pros: strong 1200-watt peak motor, foldable frame, removable battery, comfortable step-through design, stable fat tires. This model offers one of the best combinations of portability, power, and everyday practicality for riders looking to maximize convenience. Number 3. VIRIBUS Electric Trike for Adults. VIRIBUS has become one of the most trusted names in adult tricycles, and this electric version continues that reputation. Designed with comfort and stability in mind, it supports riders up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for a wide variety of users. The ergonomic seating position, sturdy steel frame, and spacious rear cargo basket make it an excellent option for shopping trips, neighborhood rides, and daily errands. Its electric assist system provides smooth acceleration while maintaining easy handling. Pros: strong 330-pound capacity, comfortable upright riding position, excellent rear cargo space, reliable build quality, easy to control. The VIRIBUS electric trike is one of the safest and most comfortable choices for seniors and everyday riders who prioritize stability over speed. Number 4. T3 Electric Tricycle. The T3 brings premium features rarely found in this price range. It features a 750-watt motor paired with a large 48-volt 20.8 amp-hour battery, allowing riders to travel up to 75 kilometers on a single charge. This trike includes 20 by 4-inch fat tires, making it suitable for pavement, gravel, and uneven roads. One unique feature is its built-in Bluetooth speaker and USB charging port, making longer rides much more enjoyable. The 7-speed gear system also allows better control whether riding with or without electric assistance. Pros: large long-range battery, wide 20 by 4-inch fat tires, built-in speaker, USB charging port, 7-speed transmission. The T3 is perfect for riders wanting entertainment features, comfort, and extended range all in one stylish package. Number 5. T300 Adults Electric Trike Bike. The T300 is an excellent budget-friendly electric tricycle designed for everyday transportation. Its foldable frame and step-through design make getting on and off extremely easy, especially for seniors and riders with limited mobility. Powered by a 1200-watt peak motor, the T300 provides plenty of torque for city streets and light hills. The 624 Wh-watt removable battery delivers an impressive riding range of up to 65 miles, depending on riding conditions. Its 18 by 3-inch fat tires improve balance and comfort while handling rough roads better than standard tires. Pros: powerful 1200-watt peak motor, foldable design for easier storage, comfortable step-through frame, up to 65 miles riding range, stable fat tires. If you're looking for an affordable electric trike with impressive range and portability, the T300 delivers excellent value for casual riders and seniors alike. Those were our picks for the top 5 best electric tricycles on Amazon 2026. Whether you're looking for the best value, the longest battery range, or the safest ride for everyday commuting, there's an electric trike on this list that's perfect for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of the best gadgets and products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.